Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello, all my friends. This is Baker. Today, take 40 minutes introducing our machine and our samples, ever made samples for clients all over the world. Okay, this is Baker. We are spring machine manufacturer. Okay, firstly, let me get it started for the machine for the learning showcase. This is our Camel's wire rotary spring forming machine. This one, Camel's 12 axis wire rotary spring forming machine. For the wire, 8 millimeter, and this is some similar models. Camel's with wire rotary for 6 millimeter, 8, 10 millimeter, and 12 millimeter. And this one, presently 8 millimeter spinner wire rotary. This camshaft, this one, 210 millimeter, and the sliding distance almost 20 centimeter. For this one, at presently axis handles for this one, and not joined, not involved. So this is a simple, easy task for lake 6 millimeter carbon steel. This one, the lake time, the Kent temp 4 cornered ground stake for this one. At 6 millimeter carbon steel, at rate 10 pieces per minute. 10 pieces per minute. Okay, we are spring machine manufacturer, and this is our site. This is our assembly site for the spring forming machine assembly. We are spring machine manufacturer, and this is Baker export sales manager. Our factory located in Dongguan, South China, in Dongguan City. From our factory to Canton Fair halls within 1 hour, just 53 kilometers from our factory to Canton Fair complex, to Canton Fair hall. And from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport, 75 to 80 kilometers. Within 70 minutes from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport. So every year, once you attending the Canton Fair related exhibition, you can spare 2 or 3 hours, come to our factory to bring along with your samples, bring along with your drawing. We will provide wire bending, wire forming, spring coiling related solutions for you. Send me your drawing, send me your sample pictures by the WhatsApp, by the WeChat. For more videos or sampling videos or introducing about our factory, you can visit my video bank at YouTube, at my video bank by sampling more samplings for different samples. Okay, this is our Camel's wire rotary in 12 axis. This is the spinner, and every handle 4.5 kilowatts, and the control system. Here's the control system. So this machine divided into cavities with wire rotary, consists of the work panel, the chamber, wire feeding, wire rotary, and the traces for electric parts as transformers, servers, air conditioner, control system mainboard, and the interface, wire decoil, interface, work panel, chamber, chassis, and the wire decoil. So 5 parts can introduce clear about this machine. This we do a lot of deal. This one we do a lot of deal for a client, mainly or almost mostly using for agriculture purpose to making leg teeth from wire 4 to 10 millimeter for a leg teeth. This machine leg teeth at different shapes. For example, this one. For example, this one. The leg teeth at late for leg teeth while bending chemist wire rotary spring forming machine. For a wire rotary spring forming machine, make agricultural purpose the leg teeth torsion spring. This wire size 4 to 10 millimeter. This 4 to 10 millimeter. Leg teeth. Okay, leg teeth. Show you. We do a lot of deal from the from many countries as in East Europe, South American countries, South Africa, Australia, Brazil, Argentina, Mexico, Poland, Belarus, Russia, Ukraine, Turkey, as well India. This leg teeth for this machine. Leg teeth, agriculture purpose for the harvester, for straw baler, with huge grassland for the agricultural purpose. Okay, on the table, a lot of samples we ever made because we have a machine for regular spring, special spring, wire bending, and wire forming products. And so next, I'll show you some of our examples. Okay, we are spring machine manufacturer. I'm big export sales manager. Every year, this is my catalog. This is our catalog. We are spring machine manufacturer with compression spring machine, spring coiling machine, and a spring forming machine. Okay, you can check more videos about our machine running, about our machine sampling at my YouTube for more videos. Okay, I show you some of the particular samples for this using in this compression spring using in the automatic beverage selling machine. Automatic beverage selling machine. This one, automatic beverage selling machine. This automatic beverage selling machine. Automatic beverage selling machine. Compression spring as OD gets larger and larger, and the pitch gets wider and wider. The compression spring, regular compression spring. The trigger sprayer with compression spring inside. We provide a solution to make compression at trigger sprayer, perfume, alcohol, lotion, and shampoo. All land, every of these with trigger sprayer mechanism have compression inside, compression spring inside. By our machine at rate almost 300 pieces per minute. Trigger sprayer, lotion, alcohol bottle, shampoo, perfume, every of them with trigger spray mechanism have a compression spring inside. So by our machine to mass producing this one at rate almost 300 per piece, 300 minutes per 300 pieces per minute. This the constant force spring using in car seat self belt. This one. Anti-vibration, tower shape, flat at the base, flat rectangle, flat at top, tower shape. This using in sports high jump matches. This one high jump matches. Okay, I'm a baker, export sales manager. You can next time you can take 2 or 3 hours come to our factory for the discussion on site to check audit about our equipment, about our machine. We provide a regular compression spring solution, torsion spring, double torsion spring, and the wire forming products. This one, anti-vibration, suspension in car, all very kind of vehicles and trucks. Anti-vibration spring, using in mountain bike, in electric bike, anti-vibration at the rear tire or front tire and the rear tire for the fork at the front. This anti-vibration spring. The plastic pipe clip, 3 mm stainless steel pipe clip using in the field for gas, petroleum, oil, transportation networks, pipe networks. And this sample, 3 mm stainless steel, 156 OD, outer diameter, 156 millimeter. 7 mm carbon steel, hard, irregular for 2 periods with tight loops and the center of straight line, side center hook, 7 mm carbon steel. This one, carbon steel for trucks, heavy duty trucks. Pro spring for the brake in the truck. The wire bending products using in the printer or outdoor activities, barbecue. This the pipe, clip, pipe, clamp, pipe, clip, pipe, clamp. The simple torsion spring using in the mattress, simple torsion spring, iron get rusted. This one, simple torsion spring, and the wire bending products. Torsion spring, lighting hanger, LED lighting hanger, 4mm spring wire using in lighting, outdoor LED lighting hanger, stage performance lighting hanger. This wire twisted wire strand. Okay, we can provide a professional solution for the conveyor belt in this. We have in this page 3 models for wire 0.4 max to 4 millimeter for conveyor belt related products. Conveyor belt solution, Camellis 11 axis for the conveyor belt chocolate coating. All land on this paper, wire forming, wire bending products, we can provide the professional, efficient solution for you in a rapid way. If you have a similar or the same task, you can send me your drawing. We will choose 2 or 3 models for your selection. Okay, wire bending products. All land on this paper, we can provide the solution for you. Wire bending, wire forming products, different material as aluminum. Okay, Mr. Brain. Where you come from? Mr. Brain Quiterno, are you speak Spanish? Looks like a Spanish name. Mr. Brain Quintero. Yeah, wire bending, wire forming products. All then the torsion, double torsion spring, or related products, we can provide solution. We can choose our machine to complete every of them. Every of them, we have the machine to reach your target. If you plan to extend the production ability or plan to do a new invest on wire bending, torsion spring, double torsion spring, all then we have the machine to make every of them. And the lows, torsion extension spring, torsion pro spring, torsion or double torsion spring. If you have similar products, you can send me your drawing assemble pictures. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City in South China. Our factory just 75 or to 80 centimeter from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport. Take 70 minutes from our factory to Canton Fair Complex to Canton Fair Halls, just within 1 hour. This is the compression spring. 2 axes, 4 axes, or 6 axes as total. Very type of samples. Okay, very type of samples. I'll show you some of the products made by our compression spring. This one, here, this using an automatic beverage selling machine. The tower shape in the bicycle seat pad. In bicycle seat pad. Anti-vibration, suspension, high jump matrix, sports. Regular compression spring, this one using in umbrella, folding umbrella or umbrella, traditional umbrella, this one. Traditional umbrella spring. We now have a machine for compression spring for a wire from 0.15 max to 6 millimeter. As well, the cam type wire rotary spring forming machine for the usage as like the examples ever made, like the agriculture purpose, torsion, double torsion, leg time, leg teeth, spring time. Very type of for similar extension for mobile phone holder, torsion, double torsion spring, irregular or regular for a wire size, feeding wire length 0.5 max to 6 millimeter. The camelist wire rotary, camelist spring forming machine for huge functions to make spring, regular spring, traditional spring, or torsion spring, double torsion spring, and as well wire bending products. We are spring machine manufacturer, founded in year 2005. Mid-sized. Our total staff, 23% total staff. Mid-sized in Dongguan City factory manufacturer, spring machine manufacturer. So this one, the tools lineup and the program are simple task for this one. 6 millimeter carbon steel leg cant temp ground nail ground stick. This tent ground nail ground stick 10 pieces per minute. As this machine mostly for a client using to mass producing leg time, leg teeth for the agriculture purpose. Okay, we are spring machine manufacturer and founded in year 2005. So to the time present, our machine has reached countries and regions, over 32 countries and regions, all every of the content, to every content as Europe, Africa, South America, South American countries, Australia, North American countries as Canada, USA, Mexico, Brazil, Chile, Peru, Argentina. Every country we have reached our clients and left this to these clients. This is the sleeve spring. Sleeve spring. Tight loops between every loops tight contact each other, and is using for like the field with high temperature or high humidity to protect the wires isolation layer. Sleeve spring. We also have the high demanding, high precision level sleeve spring. This one, sleeve spring, also sleeves belong to sleeve spring, but the material is the strip fret. For for with small gap between the loops. Stainless steel flat strip using. We also have the mini wire coiling into sleeve spring for the medical purpose, as like to with guide wire to detect the lung or stomach, to detect the lung or stomach for the medical purpose, for test equipment, test instrument, high precision sleeve spring. This bathroom hanger, or kitchen room hanger, bathroom or kitchen room hanger, wire bending products. Select flat spiral spring, constant force spring, using in car seat self belt, in tape measure, in medical watch, in medical clock, constant force spring. And the final is this. We do a lot of deal to provide the conveyor belt bending wire mesh. Conveyor belt bending. This one, conveyor belt bending. Okay, conveyor belt bending. This conveyor belt bending. The single piece. This one, the single piece, 2.5 millimeter stainless steel. This one, 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. Take time about 16 to 18 seconds. This one. In one stop, by the machine, in one stop, piece by piece. And then we do a lot of deal like this. A lot of deal like this. Every year, we provide our solution. We now have total 6 models, 6 machine models to mass producing the conveyor belt chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling for the food procession. While feeding wire range 0.4 max to 4 millimeter at different wide. This one, the wide 80 centimeter, we can extend it as 1 meter, 1.5 meter, even 2.5 meter for conveyor belt, chocolate coating, wire mesh, leather belt. This 2.5 millimeter stainless steel foot grade stainless steel 304 stainless steel 2.5. Okay, a lot of deals we made by our machine made the single piece length waved together piece by piece, extended meter by meter. As well, this flat, this. So I show you a close look at the machine for more details. This the shamble wirelessly, the shamble consists wirelessly and wire feeding. 4 pair feeding rods, 7 kilowatts for servo motor for wire feeding. 4 pair feeding rods. So one set of tools, including the wire feeding tools as feeding roller, guiding plates, and the tool forming tools, spring forming tools as like coiling finger, cutter, tailmate tools, and the spinner tools. Okay, once more, we are spring machine manufacturer. You can add my WhatsApp, add my WeChat. You can find more videos, sample videos, and machine introduction videos at my video bank, YouTube video bank. Okay. Bye bye.